Meet our new SilkLift. Depending on your customer needs, we have 4 different SilkLift lightening powders: SilkLift Strong, Zero Ammonia, Control Ash and Control Pearl. After a lightening service with SilkLift, your hair always feels very smooth and is very shiny. We have 2 technologies in our SilkLift Lotion: SilkProteinComplex and IntraLipid. It makes sure that the hair always got the best hair conditioning after a lightening service. We have even more good news for you guys. In our new SilkLift lightening powder, we have BondPro Plus. BondPro Plus keeps the bonds in the hair protected. It also does help the hair feel strong after a lightening service. If you want to know more about the new SilkLift, check out our other videos.